Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of the candy petries that I get a lot of questions about. You're going to start off by mixing your epoxy resin. Obviously I have my tequila Patron cup because it's the best. Anyway, so get your epoxy resin, mix it as it's directed on the box, and just keep mixing it really well. I have my 3 molds here that I'm going to use and my sprinkles. Also, I have a lighter to torch out those air bubbles. So if you are interested in getting the silicone molds here, you can go on my Amazon site. I'll link it in the bottom, along with the sprinkles I'm using and all the materials. So keep mixing, make sure it's really good. Scrape the cup, scrape the sides, scrape the bottom, mix it really good as long as you can. My hand is hurting, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna do one of these and then the other ones I'll fast forward because it's basically the same procedure. So after you mixed, pour your resin in. Don't make it too thick because then there's no point. All the sprinkles will like sink almost. Okay, but I am gonna separate the resin into 3 separate dishes while I'm doing this to kind of get it started. All right. Okay, so after you pour the resin, you get a torch and you will torch the resin to get the bubbles out. Okay? Alright, let me let that one sit for a second. I already torched these, so let's start with these. Okay, and then you'll make sure in a couple minutes that it's all sealed with resin. So you want to make sure they drop in completely. Otherwise, when it dries, it'll be bumpy and ants can get to it because it's sugary. Okay, so I'm going to do the other ones. Alright, after you're done, you're going to let them sit overnight for about 12 hours. And then you peel them out. So I'll see you when I peel them out. Alrighty, so after you made your resin piece and you put it in your silicone mold, you want to let it harden, which takes about 24 hours. And then you can peel it out of the piece. So basically, since it's silicone, it'll just peel right out. Look how beautiful that is.